Hi everyone, and welcome back to day 2 of fun writing, where we all get to make our menus and pretend we own a restaurant and decide what we're going to serve there, right? So remember, boys and girls, if you weren't here yesterday, this week we are starting off a fun writing unit. And the first thing that we're learning to do is how to make our own menus as a way of fun writing. So yesterday we looked at some menus that I had at my house. We learned how to fold the menu, and we started working on the cover of our menu, right? And I was making a restaurant called Eve's Restaurant, and I put pictures of the food that I serve there. I said the hours that were open, the phone number, and then I also added the address because that's what we saw on the other menus that we looked at. Okay, so today we are going to continue studying the menus that I had at my house and find out what goes inside, right? So here's another example of a menu I have here. And when we open it up, inside the menu, it lists all the food that they serve at the restaurant, right? But it doesn't just list every single thing that they sell randomly all over the menu. They do it in an order to make it easy for people to see. So if you look at this menu, they have a title here that says breakfast, and then all the food listed here is breakfast food that they serve at their restaurant. Then they have something down here. It says Hot Heroes. That's a type of hot sandwich. And these are all the Hot Heroes they serve. Here it says specialty sandwiches. Ooh, that sounds delicious. All the specialty sandwiches they serve. If we open it up, they also have a place that says burgers, salads, wraps, cold cut sandwiches, right? They list all the different types. Oh, on the back, they talk about pasta and chicken and meat. So they organize all of the food in their restaurant into categories, into subjects, right? Burgers, sandwiches, wraps, breakfast, salads. So what we're going to do today is we're going to start thinking about what kind of food we're going to want to serve at our restaurants, and we're going to come up with some topics, okay? So I already did this for my menu, boys and girls. I started thinking about what types of things I want to serve at my restaurant. And then I also thought of a couple of examples of each of them to put in my menu. So let's take a look at what I did so you guys can get an idea to get started on yours. Now remember, use my menu as an idea, right? And as a model, an example of what we should do. But your menu doesn't need to have the same food and the same things as mine. Okay, you should choose the foods that you like the best. Okay, so when you open up my menu, I made a couple of categories. If you guys can see it, I broke it up into appetizers, burgers, sandwiches, pizza, seafood, and dessert. Because those are some of my favorite foods, and that's what I want to serve at my restaurant. So some examples are, in appetizers, I said French fries, mozzarella sticks, or a salad. For burgers, I said a turkey burger or a cheeseburger. Sandwiches, I said a chicken sandwich, a grilled cheese, or a peanut butter and jelly. For pizza, you can get one slice or you can get a whole pie. And some of the toppings might be pepperoni or mushroom or olives. And then on the other side, for seafood, I said lobster, sushi. I know some of you love sushi. Crab legs. And dessert, so far, I thought of ice cream and cake. So guys, my menu's not done. I'm going to go back and I'm going to add more things under each subject. But do you see how I organized it? And I made categories. I did not just open my menu and start writing French fries, pizza, peanut butter and jelly, grilled cheese, lobster. That would be confusing for customers. They wouldn't know where to look. If they know that they want a sandwich, they can just look in the sandwich section. And if they know that they want dessert, they can just look in the dessert section. All right, boys and girls, so take out your menu that you started working on yesterday. You should already have a folded menu and a cover. Open it up and start thinking about what types of food you're going to serve in your restaurant and start writing that, okay? So by the end of today, you should have your categories and a couple of examples or more of all the foods you're going to serve there, all right? I can't wait to see what you all come up with. I'm so excited to eat all of the imaginary food that you guys are cooking in your restaurants, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.